Hi there, it's Josh here at the Classic Competition Company with a very special prize for you guys to take part in. This is a 1987 Honda XR600R, fully restored condition, and it's also been fitted with electric start. And this one can be won on our website, theclassiccompetitioncompany.com, for just £1.99. So, like I said, it's all been fully restored and fitted with an electric start, which works really, really well. It doesn't struggle to start on it. Start straight away, which is really good. It's quite a tall bike and quite a hard bike to kick, so that's super handy. I haven't had to kick it once, which is great. And like I said, it's been fully rebuilt. It's done just under 500 miles since the restoration. So it's like a brand new machine. It's an early example with the white, blue and red livery. And looks cool with the gold cases as well. I'm not sure if that's like an early thing or a competition thing, but it looks really nice. Okay, so what we'll do now, show you how to start it. It's super easy. You've got an ignition key here. And you've got your fuel tap down here, which is on. We've already warmed her up. And then our electric start's just here. So I'm pretty sure we just press it. I don't think we need to pull the clutch in. Let's give that a go. There we are. Easy peasy. So yeah, sounds really good. Engine's nice and smooth, as a Honda should be. It's got a nice little bark to it without being too loud. So there we are. If you fancy a ticket on this one, it's just £1.99. The draw will take place on the 9th of April, which is Sunday at 10 PM. It's classiccompetitioncompany.com. If you do enter, thank you for your support as always, and good luck.